So over the past few days, I've been practicing a serious amount of restraint. As you can see behind me is an unopened box. And in that unopened box is my brand new Weber key that I've been waiting months for. I think I ordered it back in fall of 2021. And as hard as that was, I decided to wait until I had time to film it. And I know that's very YouTuber of me, but I wanted to share the unboxing experience as well as my first impressions in real time. So today I'm armed with my blade and a lot of excitement, so let's light this candle. Now that it's been liberated from its cardboard prison, let's just have a look at it. It really is a beautiful piece of engineering and design. The perfect mix of graceful lines and industrial angles. The materials used on the grinder body and everything visible feel and look very high quality. There's no awkward panel gaps or transitions from painted metal to plastic. The base of the grinder has a nice non-slip surface, and it's very heavy, so it sits nice and sturdy on the counter, which was something I was a little concerned about considering its tall, thin frame and top-mounted gear system. Lifting up the bean cover and upper funnel, you can catch a little glimpse of the 83mm pre-seasoned conical Mauser burrs. Working our way down from there, you reach the burr adjustment dial and locking ring. Now, in terms of concerns about this grinder, this is the only functional one I've had, at least from a first impression standpoint. The burr adjustment dial is stepless, but you do need to be able to secure the locking ring, which for lack of a better term, is stepped. So when dialing in, I'm just going to have to hope that that minimal space between each tooth isn't going to potentially keep me from hitting that perfect brew. I do have faith though, because this isn't Weber's first rodeo, so my guess is this won't be an issue. But I am sort of curious how many microns there are between each of these teeth, because I can't really find that information in any of their literature. Down from there you've got the Magic Tumbler, which I opted for over the standard. This one includes an internal WDT that stirs your grinds and a scraper that removes any grinds from the walls, all spinning at the same rate as your inner burr set. And finally, speaking of spinning burrs, your power button is here, down on the right side. Next to that you have a smartly designed and well-hidden boar hair cleaning brush, sorry vegans, and it's all rounded out with the variable speed adjustment dial at the back. Now that the Weber key has been landing on coffee bars all over the world for the past couple of weeks, I'm sure many creators are really rushing to get that review out and be the first on the scene. Now, I'm gonna really resist that urge. Even though I have it, I am a YouTuber after all, but I wanna bring something more to the table, something more substantial, something more meaty. I really wanna have more time under my belt with this grinder. I wanna feel it out, run some tests, do some comparisons, and really experience what it's like to use on a daily basis. So expect the part 2 in this series to be either next week or the week after. Of course, as always, if you have any questions or anything you want to see in part 2 of the Weber Key series, drop them in the comment section down below, and I'll see y'all next week. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Hit that little bell button for notifications of new videos posted every Friday. Check out my Instagram at Sprometheus for content throughout the week, my blog at Sprometheus.com, my coffee at littlegiant.coffee, and as always, stay caffeinated. Pony boy.